So this is a 2-bedroom. They currently don't have a 1-bedroom available. So here's the living room as soon as you enter. They have the living room, the TV that they have as well. Oh, there's a washroom here too. Okay, so right behind the door, they have their bathroom or washroom, as you'd like to call it. And it's a wet, is it called a wet room? So they don't have a bathtub in here. So this one is currently a 2-bedroom, as I said. They said they don't have all two, and they have a kitchen. Okay, there's a kitchen too, which is good. So they have a fridge, a microwave, a electric hot plate where you can cook your food in or on. So that's a good thing. They have a bedroom. I don't need 2 bedrooms. I only need like a 1-bedroom. Like if you're a single person, you definitely will not need 2 bedrooms. Or if you're a couple, you won't need 2 bedrooms. Unless you want to turn one into an office. Oh, and they have 2 bathrooms. So here's another washroom here with a washer and, not a washer and dryer, but just a washer. And then here is another room. This is big bed, big. So they have a really big bed in here. So that's really good, okay? And it has the closet as well. Okay, let's see, and they have the AC unit. And I can't really see what it faces, but it looks pretty nice. It's decent. Okay. It's pretty decent.
Hello?
Yeah.